Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these beautiful ROCKBROS cycling sunglasses. These are great for any types of sports that you may be playing. As you can see here, nice adjustable nose pads, fits around the face very nicely, doesn't let in any sunlight outside of it. They're also polarized, very important. As you can see here, we got the polarization card. You go over it and you can see the added picture of the fish there. We've got this amazing ROCKBROS case here. It also includes an adapter that snaps in very nicely to go ahead and put your prescription lenses in there if you like. You've got this ROCKBROS branded, and then here you've got the pouch. So if you prefer to put them in this like I do instead of these, this is great, very soft. You can clean off the lenses of your glasses very easily. As you can see, these glasses just fit around my face super nicely. I'm very impressed with the clarity, and also the colors are very true to color. Definitely keep the sunlight from coming in from around the lenses, and I'm just impressed with these. I think I'm gonna get lots of compliments on them. Thanks for watching.